The house we bought did not have air conditioning in it, and we thought it was okay until the next summer. It was hot.
When we got the air conditioning, we had Cardinal put it in.
And then when we decided to build the next house that we did, we specified with the builder that we had Cardinal put our heating and air conditioning in. We didn't even check anybody else. We've been very satisfied with Cardinal, and they're the first call. We had them on speed dial if anything went wrong. Even if we have something major that goes with the maintenance, they're there right away.
Usually about a half hour before he arrives here, we get a text or a phone call that the technician is on the way, and they give out his name.
The whole company is easy to work with, and they explain what actually went wrong. Cardinal is very customer orientated, and they will go above and beyond what some other heating and air would do.